Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Imprint application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Imprint application on the device within which you have not logged out from your account. Once you open it up, you will be taken directly into your homepage from which you can start your lessons right away. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and now you will see your account details. At the very bottom, you will see the logout button, which you can tap on, and you will be logged out from your account right away. If you wish to log back in once again, you can click on the login button, and you will be asked to log in using your Google, your Apple account, or your email address. Choose either one of these methods and proceed forward with your credentials, and you will be logged back into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.